Hi, guys. So, today's topic is something that is really important to me, and I've got a lot of questions around this topic, so I thought we will discuss it today. And the topic is about me, myself, and how do I put myself first, give myself importance, and there are lots of questions I get around this, right? Um, I know it's important that I put myself first, but how do I do it? And am I being selfish? Am I not putting others' needs behind and putting myself first? And how do I really give myself importance? And how do I really, put myself first, right? And I want to start this topic with an anecdote, right? If you've noticed, every time we travel by air and you're being explained about emergency exits and all of that, there is an important point they make, which is, in case of an emergency, when the oxygen mask drops, please wear it first and then attend to the others. Yes, you wear it first and then attend to the others. That's exactly what we really need to do in our real life as well, and real life situations, right? And for me, putting myself first or giving myself importance is not selfish, and is not about saying I don't want to listen to the others, I will do only what I want to do. No, I'm not saying that. What I'm really saying is that please listen to your inner voice. Listen to really what you want to do, right? And then find a solution to your problem. Typically, what we do is, when every time there is something I don't want to do, or is a challenge, or is a difficult situation where I need to involve others, I will put others first and try and please them and not myself. And what am I doing in this process is only bottling my stresses and my tensions within myself. So, this is not worth. Others may be happy at the end of the day. What happens to you and your inner peace? It's not going anywhere, right? And it's not helping you. And then you have frustration and sadness and irritation and anger towards everything around you. So, really, for me, putting yourself first or giving yourself importance is listening to that inner voice. Do I really want to do this particular task? Do I really want to please people? What is important for me? And when you ask these questions in any situation, especially the ones which are causing frustration, right? When situations, like if I'm doing something with love for somebody and I'm happy with it, I am not disturbing my mental peace and I'm happy with that. The real issue arises when there is a conflict of thought within yourself and what you have to do, right? Or what is expected out of you. When that conflict happens, if you're not going to put yourself first or listen to your inner voice, then you are suppressing what is within. You may not realize it in the short term, it may be okay, but in the long term, you're bottling a lot of frustration within you, a lot of anger, a lot of your own hopes and ambitions. When bottled up, it will only lead to one volcanic huge explosion one fine day where you are not able to handle yourself at all. So please give yourself importance and listen to those inner voices that keep, playing inside you, telling you exactly what you need to do and what you don't need to do, what you like and what you don't like. Please listen to that. And typically, let me tell you, I can make this really simple for you. What I have seen in my experiences, every time I've listened to my inner voice, I find solutions which I like and which are sort of collaborative, right? I have kept other people in mind, but I find a solution which will not break my mental peace as well, right? So for example, like, if your boss is constantly nagging you with work, can you go and talk to your manager or your boss and figure out Why and what is this whole, pressure of work? Can you prioritize work? Can you, make it better for him and for yourself? Rather than just listening and implementing it and then, feeling frustration, you would, at least I would suggest you go and talk to him or her and figure out a way of making things better for both the parties, right? Same things at home. I hear a lot of these, sentences where people say, my mother-in-law nags me, she makes me do all of this work. Why don't you talk to her? Or your spouse, or your children, or, anybody around you who is sort of, creating that stress for you. Please find ways and solutions. And before that, listen to your inner voice. Listen to what you really want to do and then go ahead with it. Yeah, I hope that you at least in some ways I have been able to pass on what I personally do in my life, and what I counsel people as well about is stating your own ambitions, putting yourself first, and not really, quite honestly, not giving yourself importance and saying, what, I'm just going to go with the flow. If it is anything to do with your mental peace, and if it's getting disturbed, you need to look into it. Yeah, I hope this video has helped you, and if you have questions, comments, leave them below, and we'll take it up either in subsequent videos or through my responses to you. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and we'll see you again later. Bye bye.